Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how you can get successful in YouTube and how you can get high CPM in your and high RPM in your channel YouTube. Just keep going watching this video to the end to know a lot about how you can get successful in YouTube. To get successful your channel in YouTube, a lot of things he controlled this successful. First one, to be honest with you, YouTube it's a platform you patient you can you must be patient to get big results. Like this CPM it's nine between $9 here, RPM $2. This channel it's new monetization, and if you want monetization your channel, just send us in number of WhatsApp in description of this video. Then if you want successful in YouTube, first one I tell you, you must be patient to be successful in YouTube. Second thing, it's choose a high CPM niche, like cars, like real estate, make money online, crypto, e-commerce, all this 10 makeups, and all this 10 this niche. It's high CPM niche. Then and To be successful and to get more views in your video, you must make attractive thumbnail. It's 19% for video, because it's the face of your video. Its thumbnail is the face of your video and your channel. Then you must be creative in your thumbnail. Third thing to successful in your channel is to be continuing uploading video. Don't make one video in 1 month like this. No. If you can make one video every day, make it. Don't give up, and be continuing and consistently. This is the secret to be successful in your channel. As you can see in this channel, CPM, it's a small, very small channel. I monetize him, and look, CPM, it's $9. Look, I will show you another like this video. It's best e-commerce course. Look here, it's $30. Look, and if you like if you like this video, don't forget to make like and subscribe for to give you more idea how you can be successful in YouTube, and in any niche, and in any domain like e-commerce, dropshipping, how you can make your projects successful, and a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys to another idea and to another video.